Welcome everyone to Woodworks by Ace. Last week I made myself a custom refrigerator cabinet. I ended up having a huge void that I decided to make a drawer out of. This drawer is to house all my fasteners in a nice display. I'm actually going to make smaller boxes similar to this to fill this whole cabinet up. This is planning on using the French Cleat system, which I have throughout my shop, and I can hang these up anywhere I please. Stay tuned. All these pieces are the same height, so I got to worry about the bottom, the two side pieces, the front piece, and the back piece. The French Cleat system I already have, I just got to cut the size. I plan on doing some quick math on how many pieces, how many cuts I need, making a jig up for my chop saw, and then using this clamping system, nails and glue, and pop these things together real quick. Nice and easy. Time for the front pieces. These are only going to be 2 inches tall by 2 inches wide. Now it's on to the back. I got 6 pieces at 3 inches long that are going to be cut right now. I got my 12 side pieces cut. Time to make the bottoms with this thin 1/4 inch plywood. I'm going to rip it down to 4 1/2 and then make my cuts for the bottoms. Cuts are done. Let's assemble. Now it's time for assembly. I assembled one just to make sure it came together right. I did decide on making these cuts afterwards by putting them on the miter saw and cutting these on a 45-degree angle. So I also came up with this jig here that is the inside dimension of this box. So I can easily put the pieces together, glue them and nail them without using the clamp I originally thought would be best. Let's see how it works out. Alright, the last part is putting the bottoms on, like so. Let's get started. Alright, all done. Got to paint, put the French Cleat on the back, and put them in the rack. Let's do it. I actually have this already cut, so I was only going to cut little sections of it to attach to the back. This is just 1 by 2, I believe it is, and I had some scrap wood. I made a 45-degree angle, and just got to cut it and attach it on the back. Fairly simple. Let's do it. Alright, I figured I'd check to make sure everything was going to fit as per my measurements. And to surprise, they are. I got 6 of them fit perfectly in between here. And as you can see, they pop in, they pop out. All I gotta do is paint them and add some more French cleats for bins to come. I finished all the small boxes, and I also made larger boxes. I made an improvement on my design by adding this little dado here that these little dividers slide in and out, so I have more bin storage than just having a standard large box. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to follow along for all my future projects. Thanks, guys.